Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. The Weller WLC 140 watt soldering iron station is a reliable, budget-friendly solution for hobbyists, DIYers, and light professional use who want consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. Designed with a simple analog temperature control, this soldering station delivers adjustable heat up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of soldering tasks, from stained glass and wiring to basic electronics repair. Powered by a 40-watt heating element, the WLC 100 heats quickly and maintains steady temperatures for smooth, dependable solder flow. In real-world use, leaded solder flows easily on lower settings, while lead-free solder performs well at mid-range settings, leaving higher levels available for larger joints or materials that require faster heat transfer. While there's no digital temperature readout, the intuitive dial makes it easy to learn and repeat settings once you're familiar with your materials. The included SC3 tip is ideal for larger soldering jobs, and the interchangeable tip design allows you to swap in finer tips for more detailed work, such as printed circuit boards, PCBs. A sturdy base keeps the iron secure during use, and the integrated stand includes a cleaning sponge to help maintain tip performance and longevity. With strong ratings for ease of use, 4.25/5, performance, 4.5/5, and outstanding value, 4.75/5, the Weller WLC 100 is a proven, dependable soldering station that covers most soldering needs without breaking the bank, perfect for users who value practicality, durability, and trusted Weller quality. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. The Yihua 75-watt digital soldering and hot air rework station is a powerful, all-in-one solution designed for electronics assembly, repair, and rework. Ideal for anyone who works with printed circuit boards, PCBs, or small, detailed joints, this station goes far beyond a basic soldering iron, giving you the tools you need to fix mistakes and handle complex projects with confidence. This versatile setup combines a precision soldering iron and a hot air rework gun in a single station. The soldering iron offers an adjustable temperature range from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot air gun ranges from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for soldering, desoldering, and component reflow. In testing, leaded solder flowed smoothly at 600 degrees Fahrenheit and lead-free solder at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, confirming the accuracy of the digital temperature display. Unboxing reveals an impressive set of accessories, including 10 interchangeable soldering tips, a hot air rework gun, a desoldering pump for removing molten solder, and a voltmeter for checking electrical circuits. The flexible power cord allows for precise control during detailed work, and the sturdy iron stand keeps your workspace safe and organized. A roll of lead-free solder is even included so you can get started right away. With top-tier ratings for ease of use, 4.5/5, performance, 4.75/5, and value, 4.75/5, the Yihua rework station is an excellent choice for serious hobbyists, technicians, and DIY electronics enthusiasts who need a complete, reliable soldering solution in one package. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. Crank up the heat with the Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith soldering torch, a compact yet extremely powerful soldering solution designed for serious metalwork. Capable of reaching temperatures up to 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the tip used, this torch is built for soldering copper, silver, and gold, not delicate electronics. Its intense heat makes it ideal for handcrafted jewelry, metal fabrication, and shop-based soldering tasks where precision and fast heat transfer matter. The kit includes a small number 00 soldering tip, perfect for fine, detailed work such as jewelry seams and intricate metal joints. Additional tips can be used to scale up for larger projects. The torch operates using an acetylene tank, not included, which connects via a flexible hose and integrated pressure gauges for safe, controlled operation. A manual striker is included for ignition, and the system automatically mixes oxygen with acetylene at the correct ratio, eliminating guesswork. Setup is straightforward. Simply adjust the brass regulator knob to the recommended 12 to 14 psi, ignite the torch, and fine-tune the flame using the handle-mounted control. During testing with silver solder, which flows at around 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the torch delivered fast, even heating. With flux applied, solder flowed smoothly through seams in seconds, producing clean, professional-looking joints. Highly rated for ease of use, 4.75/5, performance, 4.5/5, and value, 4.5/5. The Smith Air/acetylene torch is an excellent choice for jewelers, metalsmiths, and even plumbers soldering copper pipe joints in a workshop environment. Just remember to shut off the gas at the tank when finished for safe operation. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC digital soldering station is a powerful, well-designed solution for makers, DIYers, and electronics enthusiasts who want speed, precision, and convenience in one compact workstation. With a 75-watt heating element, this soldering iron reaches working temperatures between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 seconds, letting you get started quickly without long wait times. A clear digital display provides accurate, easy-to-read temperature monitoring, making it simple to dial in the right heat for different materials and joint sizes. Whether you're working on electronics, wiring, or small metal projects, the stable temperature control helps ensure smooth solder flow and consistent results. One of the standout features of this station is the built-in helping hands. These adjustable clamps securely hold your workpiece in place, freeing up both hands to control the solder and the iron. This is especially useful when aligning multiple components or holding parts together at precise angles during soldering. For many projects, these helping hands make the process faster, safer, and far less frustrating. The station is thoughtfully laid out with a sturdy iron holder, a designated space for a wet sponge, and a holder for a tip cleaner, sold separately, helping you keep your workspace organized and your soldering tip in optimal condition. While extra tips and cleaners are not included, regular tip maintenance ensures long-lasting performance. Combining fast heat-up, digital precision, and practical accessories, the X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC delivers excellent performance and value for users who want a more efficient and enjoyable soldering experience without unnecessary complexity. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The Yihua 939D Plus 75-watt digital soldering station is an excellent choice for DIYers and hobbyists who prefer working with lead-free solder and want reliable performance without unnecessary extras. Designed as a digital contact soldering station, it delivers precise, adjustable heat from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, more than enough to quickly and cleanly liquefy modern lead-free solder. This station is built for accuracy and ease of use. The digital temperature display makes it simple to set and monitor heat levels, helping you achieve consistent results across different projects. In testing, the iron provided steady, responsive heating suitable for electronics repair, wiring, and other small soldering tasks where temperature control matters. Yihua includes thoughtful accessories to support high-quality lead-free soldering. The kit comes with a roll of lead-free solder so you can get started right away, along with 3 replaceable soldering tips that let you choose the right size and shape for each job. When tips wear out, they're easy to swap, helping maintain performance over time. A dedicated soldering tip cleaner is also included, which is especially important for producing clean, strong lead-free joints. The 939D Plus shares the same strong heating capabilities as Yihua's more advanced soldering and rework stations but trims away specialized tools like the hot air rework gun and voltmeter. For users who don't need rework features or production-level equipment, this streamlined design offers excellent value. With its 75-watt power, wide temperature range, and lead-free ready accessories, the Yihua 939D Plus is a dependable, cost-effective soldering station for everyday DIY and electronics projects.